Hello everyone, this is Dog Dad, aka me, Nick. But for this channel, focusing more on personal finance and helping you user personally and achieve, hopefully, freedom financially. As I'm going through, this is again just a video unscripted to try to just get a base idea of what this channel is going to be about. And some background about me is, again, I'm no one special. I'm just a Purdue engineering graduate. There's no secret sauce or something that I've done. There's no huge business that I've sold. Hopefully not yet, but right now there's nothing special. I'm just a guy trying to share tips that's helped me grow and achieve my goals. And that's pretty much it. And I will be making videos regularly on various things, on whether, as simple as how to save money when you're grocery shopping, like going to Costco and not spending $300 like everyone does, or as simple as just managing your budget and figuring out how we can actually save money this month instead of bleeding through, and living paycheck to paycheck. So stick around, check out some of the videos in the future, and thanks for watching.